Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to set multiple print area in Excel on one sheet. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now we can see here some data to this spreadsheet. Now we want to set multiple print area. At first, we select the data and go to the page layout menu, click the print area drop down menu and select set print area. Now we can see we add one print area. Now I am want to add multiple print area. Now I am select another cell and go back the home menu, merge and center this, then write anything. Now I am write some text, then write any text. Now I am select the area, then go to the page layout menu again, click print area option, choose set print area, then we go to the file menu, click print option. Now we can see here a print area. Now we want to set the print the all print area at once, select the setting drop down menu, choose print entire workbook. Now we can see here two page or two print area. Now I am go to the first and we can see here the first print area and here the last. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.